Hah?
Agung.
Agung masih apa, Agung?
Sama Siska and
Nauratun
Nauratun
Nazifa,
Nazifa
Nurul Hayat.
and Nurul Hayat. Ya.
Siska ada kan? Siska sudah masuk.
Sudah masuk, Miss.
Oke.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, how are you today?
I'm good.
I'm
I'm
fine.
pretty good. Hi.
Nice.
Hai Agung.
Okay. Let me introduce my group. My name is Agung Santoso, and my partner Siska Susanti and Nauratun Nazifa and Nazrul Hayat. Today we are going to discuss about the role of boarding school on the character building and development at technology era. Lanjut, Man.
Next gitu dong, Bu. Next, Man gitu.
Next slide.
Nah, gitu kan enak dengarnya.
Glimpse of boarding school. Pesantren or boarding school is an educational institution in Indonesia which also contributes to the field of Islam religious education which plays a role in educating the nation life, improving quality human being, both in terms of skill, abilities, as well as instilling good Islamic moral value, as well as moral development. Next month. And definition of akhlaq. Akhlaq comes from the Arabic word al-haq, and according to the term is the original character embedded in humans that can bring out happy and difficult traits without any coercion from anyone. So it is pure. The next will be explained by Siska Susanti. Siska.
Ini gue baca, Gung.
Lihat aja sis. Sampai
Agung. 1, 2. 4 ya, Gung?
Hah?
Keempat.
Ya, itu.
Lu udah baca?
Di layar set
keempat.
Ya. Ini kan udah di-share sama-sama.
Siska kenapa sih, sis?
Lagi ngapalin, Mi. Susah banget bacanya.
Ini dia ngapalin.
Yang slide keempat kan?
Ya. The role of boarding school and in the development of society in the modern society in the modern era. Islamic boarding school experience dynamics and dynamic and gradually reform their education system. Islamic boarding school, which are the basis for character education in character building for the younger generation, so as not to be carried away by the current globalization.
The current globalization.
So that they can respond to advances in technology and communication, so as not to be influenced by them. Therefore, to maintain the level of extension, then the boarding school extends then the boarding school need to make reform including fresh renewal in dream for teaching and learning methods which initially out or implement that a memorizing system and place the K as the only source.
Siska memorizing. Memorizing.
System and place the K mana mas? Memorizing. Implement the implemented a memorizing system and placed the K as the only course, but now the modern system has also been practiced in various pesantren. Second, in dream for curriculum, Islamic boarding school no longer that no longer apa sih? Limited knowledge of religion. Knowledge.
Kok ketawa? Pokok bantuin apa kok? Man, bantuin. Knowledge.
Kakaknya, Siska. Jadi knowledge. Knowledge.
Bisa.
Kayaknya nggak usah dibaca sih.
Nah, iya, kayaknya nggak usah.
Knowledge of religion, but that school education and technology that are currently developed currently developing so as not to believe
bukan as.
left behind by the times. Reach reform in dream of
Third
reform in and dream of optimizing pesantren as a center for community development. The meaning is that it can make adjustments to the modern world or the progress of the teams as is currently apa tadi Miss currently
Siska dari tadi dibetulin dia masih ini jalan aja, aduh. Ya udah, ayo sih baca yang penting baca.
Happening well while maintaining Islamic identity. Namely by equipping students with various scientific disciplines and skill in entering the art globalization by sticking to the spiritual demands, Sharia, and Islamic moral.
Oke, next.
Mau dibantu sih? Coba lanjut.
Islamic boarding school
Gak usah
that
ditunggu, biarin. Kita baca.
meaning that
Bahasa Jawa kali maning.
Gagal maning.
Aduh, Miss, hampir mau menyerah nih, Miss. They do not only teach about turtle and recitation of the Quran, but study the
Recitation, Siska.
Miss
Recitation.
Recitation of the Quran, but study the yellow book which contains the science of fiqh and Sharia, akikah and moral. Subhanahu wa ta'ala and the prophet are messenger have got character and have high moral, which high moral, which Islamic boarding school that teach ta'dim culture. The culture in the pesantren is very beautiful when viewed straight and down, because the students there have ta'dim, politeness, a very large obedience to the ustad, and especially the K9. There are very respected. They incredibly and heavily do the work ordered by him. Santri bowed their head when passing in front of them, and this culture is good so that they
Siska, and this culture, not culture.
culture.
Siska orang mana sih? Culture. Nah, keren. Oke, ayo lagi.
Is Miss malu gak bisa.
Nggak usah malu. Namanya belajar, semuanya belajar di sini, nggak ada malu-malu. 3 semester masa masih malu. Culture is good so that they get blessing and useful knowledge, ya kan? Aduh, sekarang yang
boarding school education in carry out
full
time, meaning that no time is it apa sih Miss?
Wasted
Was
time.
wasted time is
Use
used as best as possible. It is used all for learning.
use. It is
Used all
nggak usah
for
adnya nggak usah kedengeran. It is used. It is
use
Ah,
is used for learning. As if there is no opportunity to play, we must be able to focus
we
on
must
studying. Huh?
we must be able to focus on studying. We must be able to focus.
Why is that? Because starting before the arrival of
Well, arrival of
Fajr time, they do activities such as repeating the Reciting the Quran, school, reciting, reciting, reciting the school, studying, and so one over and over every day, and there is only one day on Friday as a holiday.
Friday, holiday. As holiday.
And holiday. That means di mute. Gung di mute.
Agung unmute nah gitu.
Yeah. The next will be explained it by Nahrul Hayat.
Nahrul Hayat. Where is he?
Kedengeran, Miss?
Yes.
Okay. Of boarding school and technology era. Technological events have close geographical bonds that make the world without border. This means having positive values. It is used properly and vice versa. If it is not used well, it will have negative consequences when it is drifting into negative things. In other words, technological progress will depend on who use it. In this condition, of course, we don't just reject it or
we don't just reject it.
Don't just reject it or even get involved in it.
Okay.
Needs of today's society. There are at least three things that Islamic boarding school must do to achieve this. First, renewal in terms of teaching and learning methods in Islamic boarding school. The point is that in the boarding school, the method is not only memorizing, placing a kiai as the only source of learning, but now there has been a change in modernity through a change in the curriculum. So what is taught is not only about religion, but there are additional things about social and technology in accordance with progress of the times. Second, optimizing Islamic boarding school as centers of community development. What is meant is adjustment to the modern world that maintains Islamic identity, namely by providing scientific discipline and skill to enter the modern world so as not to forget the demands of Sharia, practice, and Islamic morals. Third, besides that, what is very important and cannot be abandoned is the behavior and mentality of the santries. The source for discipline, hard work, honesty, responsibility with strong religious knowledge. So that the good is done and the bad is abandoned, or amar ma'ruf nahi mungkar.
Okay, conclusion. Islamic boarding school are one of the special education institutions in the field of Islam that exist in society, which also have an important role in developing knowledge, not only in the field of skill, but in the field of Islam religion, with emphasize teaching or instilling moral values, and especially in building morals in the younger generation. Because there are so many moral in adolescent who are experience moral descendants. They must be addressed. Moral are one of the main things, or something that can be a measure of a person's conscience. Because someone's moral will be reflected in his moral, and good or bad deeds will all be visible from his moral. Islamic education has a very important role in life today because the influence of this technological advance will have a negative or positive impact on the younger generation or future generation.
Future generation.
Future generation.
Okay, guys. I think Man, please stop the presentation, the presenting. Okay, listen up. This is about the role of the boarding school, yeah, in the technology era. Actually, we have known that a lot of technology, yeah. We used to when I were at boarding school, I used to use the computer. I used to use the English language. I used to use Arabic language and then Mandarin language. Actually, this is the technology era. To accept the technology era 4.0, actually this is the benefit, yeah, the benefit. However, this is the modern boarding school. I think this is the modern. When I was there, my boarding school is we can call modern boarding school. However, there are lots of still conventional boarding school, right? Still there conventional boarding school. So we have not to judge. Kita tidak boleh menjudge kalau sebetulnya konvensional ini harus begini. No. Because I have a friend, he has a conventional boarding school. Why? When I asked him why you built the conventional boarding school, he said that, okay, in this technology era, we have to use to back to our nature. He said it. Jadi ketika saya bertanya kenapa gitu kan, dia bilang kita harus back to nature. So the meaning is actually our boarding school, there are lots of boarding school here. Yeah, for example, Gontor lah ya, Gontor, and then what is it? I don't know. Maybe your boarding school too, ya, boarding school kalian juga. Saya yakin dan itu sudah modern. Karena dalam era teknologi ini itu boarding school, pesantren-pesantren saya yakin sudah menyiapkan lulusan-lulusannya itu bagaimana menghadapi era teknologi. Nah itu, ya. ada pertanyaan, kenapa sih kalau keluar dari pesantren biasanya anak pesantren itu bandel gitu kan? Ada pertanyaan. This is out of the box. This is not about, ya kan? Out of the box. How to build the character. How to build the character. Actually, all pesantren, all boarding school has a good, curriculum. Sudah punya kurikulum yang bagus sebetulnya. So all depend on the santri, all depend on the student sebetulnya kan. Bagaimana student itu mengambil ilmu, mengambil hikmah dari kurikulum pesantren itu sebetulnya itu. Ya, jadi tergantung. Tidak semua satu pohon itu, satu pohon mangganya bagus semua. Ngerti nggak? Tidak semua satu pohon itu mangganya bagus semua, manis semua, kemudian dijual baik dan mahal. Pasti ada yang busuk lah, pasti ada yang kena ulat dan lain sebagainya. Itu perumpamaan. Oke, makanya kalian sebagai guru jangan berharap student kalian itu semua baik, tidak. Karena semuanya berbeda, mempunyai karakter yang berbeda. They have different character. The point is how we build them to have a good character. Bagaimana kita membangun mereka memiliki karakter. Nah, this is the basic. Ini adalah basicnya. This is the basic one. Jadi basicnya adalah bagaimana kita mendidik. Itu saja, bukan mengajar. Different. Oke, jadi ingat, how to bukan mengajar, how to teach, not to teach, ya. Tapi how to transfer knowledge, how to transfer not only how to transfer knowledge, bukan hanya mentransfer ilmu saja, tapi kita mendidik. Ingat itu ya, kalian itu bukan mengajar, kita harus mendidik. Kalau mendidik apa? Mendidik apa? Kalau mendidik apa? Artinya apa, Man? Kalau mendidik. Beda dengan mengajar. Ingat ya, beda dengan mengajar. Mengajar Salman masuk ke SMP gitu kan, ke kelas 1 SMP. Oke, saya kasih ini. Diterangkan sama Salman kemudian pulang. Itu mengajar. Tapi kalau mendidik, kita melihat langsung situasi. Situasi kelas, bagaimana, kemudian how to interact with them, bagaimana berinteraksi dengan mereka, itu mendidik. Bagaimana ketika menemukan satu masalah, kemudian kita memberikan problem solving-nya seperti apa, diajari. Bukan dibentak, bukan namanya di-judging. Tidak. Kalau tadi mohon maaf, Siska, Susanti, my love, tadi saya tuh senyum, kamu itu diajarin, saya kasih koreksi, kamunya lurus saja begini, jalan aja baca. Gregetan deh, kalau di kelas udah saya cubit loh, sis.
Tapi selalu nggak bisa.
Kalau nggak bisa, don't ever said you can't, but you try. Oke, jangan pernah ngomong nggak bisa. You try, I'll try. Ya, saya coba. Gitu. Guys, Agung, kayaknya kita close saja. Tidak ada pertanyaan karena di modern era ini saya semua juga kalau boarding school sekarang sudah bagus-bagus semua gitu kan. To build the character, I think I have step.
Okay, enough for our presentation today. Thank you for your great attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Guys, kalau lihat yang kemarin yang sudah saya kasih yaitu